Hello my dear students, how are you all? All are fine. So welcome to our online MSc class. What is the date today? Today is 20 July 7 month, lecture number 12, subject MSc. This is your MSc book. From here 17, 18 and 19 are given the question number 9 to 18. Page number 17 to 19 and question number 9 to 18, it will come in your half-yearly exam. So, learn these questions. What did God make in the sea? God made fishes in the sea. What did God make on the land? God made man, animal, birds and plants on the land. What did God make all these things? God made all these things to make us happy. Question number 12 is, what did God greatest gift for you? My life is God's greatest gift for me. 13. How must you use God's gifts? Please tell me. I must use God's gift in the right way. Question number 14. What did God give you as? God gave me eyes to see. Understood all of you? Students, daily you have learned these questions at home from YouTube videos and our live classes also. Tomorrow onwards your live classes would be started. So, students, learn these questions from the classes and YouTube videos. 15 is, what did God give you ears? God gave me ears to hear. 16. Why did God give you tongue? God gave me tongue to speak the truth. 17. Say prayer for God gifts. Oh God, I thank you for your all gifts. I thank you for my parents and teachers. I thank you for my brothers and sisters and friends. I thank you for this beautiful bird and all the things in it. Question number 18 is, what is sin? Sin is going away from God. Question number 19 is, when do you go away from God? I go away from God when I tell lies, use bad words, fight with other children, cheat and steal other things. Students, you have learned the question answer at home. Meet you soon. Till then, bye bye all of you. Thank you.